An iPhone boot loop is when your phone restarts continuously, never reaching the home screen. The Apple logo appears repeatedly, but you can't access your apps or settings. Symptoms include the Apple logo appearing repeatedly, with no access to apps or settings. This is often caused by software issues like problems during iOS updates, jailbreaking attempts, incompatible apps, or even malware. In 2025, about 60% of boot loops are software related. Hardware issues like a faulty battery, damaged charging port, or logic board failure due to water damage or physical trauma can also cause it. Recognizing the symptoms is key to effective troubleshooting. First, try a force restart. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If that doesn't work, try entering recovery mode by following Apple's on-screen prompts or DFU mode to fully restore your iPhone via Finder/iTunes. This will erase all data, so regular backups are crucial. To prevent boot loops, always use certified chargers and avoid unofficial software tweaks. Trends show Apple's AI-driven diagnostics are reducing software-related loops. If the issue persists, especially after water damage, seek professional repair. In 2025, virtual support sessions are on the rise, offering expedited help for boot loop issues.